Welcome to Arya College of Engineering and Information Technology, Kukas, Jaipur. I am Harish Chawla from Department of Civil Engineering. Our today topic is traffic engineering. Traffic engineering can be subdivided into three parts. First one is traffic characteristics, second one is traffic studies and analysis, and third one is traffic control and regulations. What is traffic engineering? It is the part of traffic engineering deals with maintenance and operation of traffic system. Objectives. The basic objective of traffic engineering is to achieve free and rapid flow of traffic with least number of accidents. Based of traffic studies and traffic planning and geometry design will be done. These studies are divided into three basic parts. First one is traffic characteristics. It is more important for any improvement of traffic facilities. These are road user characteristics and vehicular characteristics. Road user characteristics, the studies of physical, mental and emotional characteristics of road user. Physical, hearing, vision, capacity of road user. Mental, intelligence, skill, knowledge and experience. Emotional, fear, anger, super situation, regulatory and maturity of user. Second, vehicular characteristics, it affects the design and performance. Static characteristics, dimension and weight of vehicle. Dynamic characteristics, speed, acceleration and braking efficiency of vehicle. Traffic studies, traffic study is used to collecting traffic data. It helps in deciding the geometric design and traffic control for the safe transportation. Traffic studies include the spot speed studies, traffic volume studies, speed and delay studies, origin and destination studies, parking studies and accidental studies. Traffic control regulation, it deals with the traffic sign, traffic signals and markings. Traffic sign can be subdivided into three parts: regulatory sign, warning sign and informative sign. Regulatory sign, these signs used to ensure that movement of traffic and make the road user aware to certain rules, regulations and restrictions during transportation. Warning sign, these are signs must be followed by road user, used to make the road user confused to hazardous condition as following signs. These sign in shape of rectangular. Informative sign, these sign guide the road user about the distance, destinations, rules, various objects and hospital, petrol pump, public toilet. These are generally is rectangular shape. It is used to find out the reason and causes behind accident and to take preventive measures in the terms of design control. The accidental studies are based on 3S theory. 3S means engineering measures, enforcement measures and educational measures. Engineering measures. In engineering measures, road design. Engineering design of roads and other features such as stop side distance SSD, intermediate side distance ISD, horizontal and vertical design, road, etc. Preventing maintenance of vehicle. The vehicle is designed considered with the highest brake efficiency lighting design arrangement which playing role on the road during driving. Road lighting, to control the traffic and continuous flow of traffic without delay. The road lighting are designed at required location of road or at intercept of roads. Before and after accidental studies, the accidental and their reason are recorded before and after any collision and studied the situation. According to these studies, the necessary enforcement and applied at these accidental from reasons such as traffic, police, etc. Enforcement measures to control the accidents and regulation control are applied to road user against traffic rules. Speed control, the speed is limited for specific type of vehicle at corresponding region for roads. Traffic suspension and training, the transport authorities are established which provide and issue the driving license to drivers especially for public service. Traffic control device, the proper control devices are installed at required location as road as sign, road marking, rotary system at intersection of roads. Medical checkup of road user. The driver is tested for the check the physical and mental condition and vision test also required. Educational measures. To aware the public about the rules and regulation of traffic, there is a need to educate and aware people about this. Hence, various educational programs such as fair, exhibitions, cultural programs, mobiles exhibitions, and organized to road safety aware in public. It is done by the schools and colleges and union trade, etc.